Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Avoalre Light 13. It's a 12-star, 2-meter fairy lights. 138 LED are built in. Wow, it's a light curtain. Max room 13 sets. That's enough. Whoa, it's awesome to see one of these sets. You can expand it with 8 modes: Christmas, lightning, indoor and outdoor Christmas decoration, light curtain, 13 stars, warm, white. So you have 8 different modes to see what's going on with it. And you can extend it with a maximum of 13 sets. And this is really long. That's really nice because these lights will give you a really nice feeling for Christmas, for example, or for another decoration thing. We have 8 function modes. Combination. It's possible to switch between the modes by pushing the button on the power plug. Then we have combinations in waves, sequentials, slo-glo, chasing and flashing, slow and fade, twinkle, flash, and steady on. I like really much steady on because this shows you all the time these awesome stars. And of course, I like the slo-glo. The slo-glo mode is a really nice mode too, I think so. It's IP44 waterproof. Aha, this is a waterproof level, ensures the safety indoors and outdoors. So you can attach these fairy lights without any problems outside. It's no problem because they can splash the water from all dimensions on it. But take care, the power plug is not waterproof. Do not go diving with that device, okay? It ensures the safety indoor and outdoors, so you can attach it where you like. It's a great decoration for festivals, weddings, Christmas of course, holidays, parties, maybe at home all day long, windows, furniture, and more to create a warm and romantic environment. The stock quantity is 12 pieces, 6 large and 6 smaller ones. The diameters of the length of each small star is 15 centimeters and 60 centimeters. The diameter length of each big star is 19 centimeters and 1 meter. That's awesome. And you can see you will get here 2 4 thick big stars and 2 4 thick small stars and a really bunch of LEDs in it, in that set. The vial length is 2 meters. These are 6.6 feet. And you will get 138 pieces of LED quantity. The power line length is 3 meters. These are 9.8 feet. And some vendor out there or designer out there designs the fairy lights so that the first power line is not so long. And this is not so good, I think. Because if it is longer than 2 meters, for example, this time is 3 meters, it's enough space to get this on the wall where you like. Because there's a lot of power line possible to find the next power supply. The input voltage is from 100 to 240 volt. That means you can use it nearly the entire world. The output voltage is only 31 volt. That means it's a low volt system. The LED waterproof level is IP44. We have 8 function mode with memory function. That means with these fairy lights we can choose different shapes and enjoy different beauty. It's ideal for decoration, our home, wedding party window, bathroom, festival, holidays, shows, restaurants, hotel, commercial buildings, shopping malls, pubs, clubs, concerts, halls, cabarets, fashion shows, dance stages, etc., etc., etc. Or your furniture, for furniture too is no problem. You can choose what you like and what you are going to love to decorate with that really awesome light curtain with 12 stars and 2 meter. It's a 2 meter fairy lights with 138 LEDs. Wow. And think about it. You can extend it up to 13 sets. This is unbelievable, I think, really. And it's so maybe it's a little bit tricky to get this on the wall because there it's 2 meters. It's a long range, and you will get hooks on it. And with that hooks, it's better to place it on your, for example, a window. That's really awesome because there is a good attachment. And then it's time to have a beautiful moments or a lot of beautiful moments with that awesome fairy lights here. And it's not only for Christmas, it's a warm light with 8 flash modes. It's IP44 waterproof and you can use it indoor and outdoor. These are the really awesome Avoalre LED starlights. So beautiful for wonderful Christmas time. For indoor and outdoor Christmas time. For decoration. For curtains, stairs, warm white with energy class A++. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.